Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to customize Google Calendar. Customizing Google Calendar lets you tailor its appearance and functionality to better suit your preferences. Here's how you can do it. Launch your web browser, for example, Chrome or Edge, and visit Google Calendar. Make sure to sign in with your Google account. Now, let us customize calendar view. In the top right corner, choose between day, week, month, year, or schedule. For a custom view, click on the gear icon, go to Settings, View Options, and adjust the Set Custom View. Also, toggle Show Weekends on or off. Now, let us show hide declined events. In Settings again, go to General, then toggle Show Declined Events. Next, customize calendar appearance. Change the calendar's color. Now go back to the dashboard on the left sidebar. Hover over a calendar. For example, personal, work, or task. Click the three-dot menu next to the calendar name and choose a color, or click the plus to choose a custom color. Change time zone. Go back to Settings, General, Time Zone, and on Primary Time Zone, choose your preferred time zone. Now go back to the main dashboard again. Next, add or remove calendars. To add a calendar, and the left sidebar, click the plus or add other calendars. Then, create new calendar. Name your calendar, add a description, and save by clicking Create Calendar. Subscribe to public calendars. Go back to the main dashboard again. Go to the plus, add other calendars. Browse calendars of interest to add holidays, sports, schedules, or other public events. Remove or hide calendars. Just click the hide from the list, the eye icon, to hide it, or scroll to the bottom of the calendar and just click unsubscribe. Next, set notifications and reminders. Still on the settings, go to General, choose Notification Settings. Now let's customize this. Default event notifications, alert, or desktop notification. Set snooze times, for example, 5 minutes before. And now, go back to dashboard again. Press Shift plus question mark while on Google Calendar to see a list of available shortcuts for faster navigation. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.